Today we're going to introduce to you our 500-pound water cool ice maker. Stainless steel, beautiful unit. The brand is called Bonag. It's a really good brand. As you can see here, it has a digital panel. It has a little LED power light on. The icing when it starts changing into the modes. This is a sterilizer when it's on, so it's sterilizing the water. This, if an error signal goes out, it's on here. The light will be blinking or solid. And when this goes on, it's a yellow LED light. That means it says on here dice. That means it'll start dropping the ice to the bottom of the bin. As you can see in here, we have already a couple ice cubes on there. Really beautiful ice cubes. Every 24 hours, it's gonna make you a little brick like this of ice cubes, okay? All you gotta do is, if you want, just drop it in there. It'll break it into little squares, and you'll just start using your paddle here into the ice cube or whatever you need to use it for, and so it's pretty much ready to go. Every 24 hours, you have 500 pounds, okay? So yeah, guys, if you want to order this, it's a really good unit, and we also came up with a bright idea of how to save water. This is a recycling energy water. This is like, the way it works, it has the line here for the water that goes into the unit, and then we have the lines that to keep the cooling, the water cooling in here. So it goes in through a hose, and then it comes out through this line into the bin, into this bin. So what it does, instead of wasting a lot of water all the time, all you could do is recycle water, drop in the water cooling, and then with one of these pumps that we give you when you purchase, it'll pump out the water back in, so it could keep the circulation of the cooling of the unit for the ice. Okay, so you just have a circulation here going, and if I'll show you in the back right now, the electricity for this one is 220, so standard 220, and for the pump as well, it would be 220 for the pump, so it could be pumping in the water for the cooling of the water. Okay, and you know, it's a nice circulation. Instead of wasting a lot of water, you're pretty much recycling the water, making it cool. So it's a really neat idea. If you want to order this, you could get it somewhere local, maybe $50 to $75. There's bins, these kind of bins, or you could buy different bins. It's up to you. But we do give you the pump for you to use it like that. Okay. So it's a really good idea if you're using, if you want to use water cool ice makers. Okay. So follow me to the back. I'll show you how it looks. So this is the line where the water goes of the filter to make the ice cubes, the inlet here, and then the line right here is the ice water outlet. So it's right here, it goes to the bottom, has the exit outlets here, as you can see there. Same thing for this one as well in the bottom. And this line is the one I'm talking to you, the cooling water outlet. These both of them. This one puts it here. This one, the cooling water inlet, is the one where the water comes in from the tank. So it comes in and it circulates, drops in here, this line goes into the bin. You see, it gets dripping in there. So all it's doing is dripping it into this container, and this hose, the other line, is bringing it back up. So it's doing a cycle here, you see. So it's the water is going to be hot, you know, but with the time when it pumps it in, it's going to be doing that cooling. So it's just a recycle. Saves you more water for those people that like to save water. Okay, it's a really nice idea. If you want to order this, let us know, and then we'll give you that pump for you to have, and it's free. So you know, what better than free, right? So if you want to have that idea, okay. And if you can see on there, we have more units in the back of the pallet. And on this pallet, we carry a lot of them. So if you want to order them, feel free to ask us. We have a gang of them. We have a pallet here. Just ask us, and then we'll deliver these units to you whenever you need them, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. This is an ice maker 500-pound recycling idea.